Features you can't use on Instagram. So, hey guys, in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to fix a problem which says features you can't use Instagram. So if you're having problem on your Instagram account, it just keep giving you a message which says you can't use this picture on Instagram, or you can't use this picture right now on Instagram. So this video is for you. I'll show you step by step on how to fix this problem. So make sure to watch the video to the end. You will not make any mistake. After you open the Instagram app like this now, so now you can go ahead and tap on the profile button at the bottom right side. After you go to your profile, now go to this menu at the top left side. After you come to this menu, now you can tap on this settings search bar. So after you tap on the search bar, now go ahead and search for account. Type in account like this. Just search for account like this. If you search for account, you can be able to see this account status. So tap on this account status. So under this account status, as you can see now, so some pictures, the reason why most of the time is Instagram gives you this, it gives you like this error is because account verification issue. Instagram suspect unusual activity on your account. So Instagram, they may ask for verification before allowing you to access some pictures on your Instagram account. So if you come to this option now, go ahead now and see if there is any like verification needed. So as you can see now my Instagram account has no any verification needed. So if you're having the problem, so you may likely get some error in the amount this like verification. I finished this one. I finished all the verification. Now my Instagram account is going well. But if you try this method and still you are getting the error, now I'll show you the second method to fix this problem. So the second method to fix this problem, all you have to do now, after you open up the Instagram app like this now go to your profile like this. After you come to the profile, now go to this menu. After you come to the menu like this now scroll all the way to down. If you scroll to down, all you have to do now, go ahead now and log out on your Instagram account. So after you log out on your Instagram account, tap on this log out and log in again. So after you log out and log in again, so by like trying this, sometimes Instagram gives you this one because there is like bug and glitch. So sometimes Instagram experience technical issues that cause temporary features restriction. So if you log out and log in, your Instagram account may start working properly. So but if you try this method, still you are getting this error on your Instagram account. Now I'll show you the next step to fix this problem. So the next step to fix the problem is now go to your Play Store or App Store. After you open the Play Store or App Store, just search for Instagram and update the Instagram app. After you update your Instagram app now, and go back now and restart your mobile phone. Just go ahead now and restart your mobile phone like this now. So just restart your mobile phone. So after you restart your mobile phone, so from there your Instagram account you may start working properly. So but if you try this method, still you are not getting, your Instagram account has not like come back, still you are getting the error which says you can't use this picture right now. So now I'll show you there is two methods to follow. So the first the two methods to follow. Now the first one is now after you open up now your mobile phone, now all you have to do now your internet connection. So now swipe to down, disconnect your internet connection. After you disconnect your internet connection, now all you have to do now, after you disconnect the internet connection, try to use another internet connection on your mobile phone. So by trying another internet connection may helps you to find what is going on your Instagram account. But if you try this method, still you are not getting your Instagram account back, still you are getting the error which says Instagram you can't use this picture right now on Instagram. So now I'll show you the last method and the best method to fix this problem. So now open up now your Instagram app like this. Go to the Instagram app. After you open the Instagram app like this now, go to this menu. After you come to this menu, your profile, now go to this menu at the top. Go to the menu, this one. After you open the menu, scroll to down. Now go to this your activity. After you come to this your activity, now as you can see now under this interaction, there is likes, comment, note, tags, stickers, and reviews. So as you can see now, they may likely the reason why Instagram is giving you this error is because they temporarily ban your Instagram account. If you perform too many actions like commenting, liking, following, and DMing in a short time, Instagram may temporarily block that picture on your Instagram account, because Instagram may think that your account is a robot account because you are performing too many actions in a short time. So all you have to do now, you stop liking people posts on Instagram, stop commenting on Instagram, and stop following people on Instagram. You should start doing this for like 2 days or 3 days or a week. Stop liking, stop commenting, and stop following people, and stop like DMing people on Instagram. If you stop doing these things on Instagram for like 3 days, at least 3 days, From there, if you come back to your Instagram account, start liking and start posting, from there Instagram will allow you to use your Instagram normally. Now all you have to do now, try this last method. If you try all this method but you did not find anyone that works for you, please let me know in the comment section below. I will try to help you to fix your problem. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.